been 10 long weeks on the block, so Shelley and I have come to give everyone a little motivational lift to help get them through to the end.
My God!
Oh, morning.
It's crazy town.
Double chock.
Oh,
Is
thank
that right?
you. That's perfect. Thank you. I tell you what, this is the week the whole suburb has been waiting for, hasn't it? To see what on earth is going on in here.
And it is bedlam. There's probably 100 people here.
Yeah, well, can we just look over the fence? Because I don't think we're going to get in there
We've got to go in. We've got to go in.
All right, here we go.
Welcome the Summer Hill.
Look at that.
I love that.
Welcome, guys. Always welcome here at the Summer Hill.
What's the story behind the Summer Hill? I know it was on your artwork last week.
This is the name of the house. We've,
It's come from a suburb called Summerhill, I believe.
Right,
I think all the houses are named after the suburbs they come from.
So Jimmy and Tam's is the junction.
Oh, I see. All right.
Is that what that says?
Yeah.
Couldn't miss it.
You're looking very chipper and chirpy today, you two.
Are we? Must have been the 6-6 we won yesterday.
6-6-6-6-6-6-6.
We can pay you, guys. We can pay you now.
I've never seen you in a better mood in my life. What's going on?
It was actually a really good challenge. We all worked really well together.
Yeah, you did.
We're actually feeling very lucky at this point.
Yeah. Well, the fact you two are in such high spirits, which is great. I know some of your neighbours are feeling really low at the moment, so if you can give them a bit of a lift too, that would be awesome.
I did. I went and saw the girls down in houses 1 and 2.
Yeah.
Gave them a little bit of a...
Yeah, they need a pep up.
I know.
I often do this every year. If, say, in 2 weeks' time, when you moved out of here, and Shelley and I said to you, I'll give you a week off, and then you start another block. Would you do it?
No.
1 week off. One year
week off.
Yes,
A year off, I'll do it.
Well, you've played the game well. You've always had a crack, mate, all the way through.
Thanks,
You're
mate.
fantastic, and I really respect you as a carpenter.
Oh, his heart's bursting.
I do, and you know, the work that you've put in, the effort you put in, and also kept a smile on your face all the way through it. Very tough to do. You've done a fantastic
Thanks,
job.
Scotty. Appreciate it, mate.
Yeah.
Well done.
Yes, yes.
Tears in my eyes.
Yeah.
It's Scotty. We're singing your praises.
Oh, no, that was, caught me right in the feels.
Oh.
Yeah, unreal.
Oh, look at this. Look at
guys.
this.
Hello.
You've got twice as much yard here as I thought, to be honest.
There is a lot, yeah.
Yeah. Were you surprised?
Well, our landscaping's been in the planning since about week 2. We contacted our landscape architect, so we sort of we've had an idea of what was happening out here for a long time. So it's good to see it coming together.
How are you feeling about only 2 weeks to go?
It's bittersweet, really. Like, we're so excited that it is coming to an end to see our family and everything, and it's been a massive ride. But leaving all of this at the same time is also sad.
We want you to enjoy the last 2 weeks of this competition and the ride that you're on, but I don't think we have to say that to you guys.
No, we're having a great time.
Yeah.
We're pretty good.
Just doing this all the way home.
But it's not just that. It's every experience, it can get on top of you, but you've got to be positive, and your mindset is the most important thing.
That's why you're a perfect couple. Look at you, like you've got positive mindset.
Well,
it's the most important thing, not just in the block, but in life.
Yeah, if you don't laugh, you'll cry, right?
Yeah.
So you've just got to keep that chin up and keep trucking along.
Yeah.
Well done.
Have a wonderful week.
Thank you.
will.
Have fun out here in the sunshine.
Yeah.
See ya.
See ya.
Thanks, guys.
Thanks, guys.
It's always fun when Scotty and Shell come
I know,
around.
I love it. It's great. They're walking around probably telling everyone to enjoy the next 2 weeks because it's the last 2 weeks of the block. They said that they didn't have to worry about telling us because we're already pretty upbeat and we've got really positive attitudes, but there are some people who are just letting everything get on top of them a bit.
It was at this point that Shelley and I realised our smiley faces weren't going to be enough to cheer up everyone. And it all started to go downhill from here. Hello.
Hello, everybody.
Hello, Shelley.
How are you guys feeling this morning?
Yeah, good. Just
Lots is going on.
Really? Are you feeling good? Really?
not really, but we're painting, so that's the main thing.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm all right, man. I'm good.
What I can say to you is just please try and enjoy the last 2 weeks.
We are very positive people, and
when we are slightly flat, you can tell.
it's so hard when you're so tired.
I know it's tough and you're tired and you want to go home. Just engage with the last 2 weeks.
I think the saddest thing with this show is we know it's coming to an end and we're just not enjoying it.
When you're finished the block, you're a long time finished.
Yeah.
And you never
True.
come back.
You don't want any regrets.
I hate that I was given this opportunity and it's like hard and I hate that.
Yeah, you know what I hate? I hate that we sound like we're whinging. But it is one of the hardest things that anyone will ever do.
And we try and it's hard, like trying to put on this brave face and it's hard. You just get exhausted and that's what kills you. It's just hard for us and we're trying. People want to judge me, but it's not easy. It's just hard, you know? It's just hard. And we're both probably struggling really hard. Yeah, I think that's all.
So apparently the block is hard. Just ask the neighbours.
You've been sort of slowly budgeting for this week throughout the whole competition, though, haven't you?
You know what,
We
that budget...
tried,
we
and the
tried.
budget towards the end of the last few weeks of the build just...
We're out of control. It just,
we had some big
bills.
complicated spaces.
Yeah, just get through it
It's okay, darling.
and enjoy it.
Yeah.
I know it's tough.
We're a bit
And
tired.
you're tired.
I know you're
been tough.
tired. Think of all those reasons why you two decided to sign up and audition in the first place.
Oh, they've gone out the window, Shelley.
And the slump being experienced by the losing teams from yesterday's challenge has spread from houses 1 and 2 to 3.
It's hard, Scotty.
I know it's hard.
It's hard.
I know it's very hard. You've only got 2 weeks of this mongrel thing to do, and that's it.
Yeah.
I know we're on that downhill run and it's so hard to keep your energy up and your excitement up and your positivity up, but you can do this. You're so close.
Yep.
You're so close.
It's hard to have fun, you know, we miss our kids. We're forever grateful to be here and to be given the opportunity, but at the same time, you know, you're getting thrown roadblocks left, right and centre.
And you know the show's trying to throw you under the bus to try and get you to keep going as hard as you can.
I've been gearing up for the block for a long time now, as in 16 years in a building trade. And I watch the block now and I just go, oh, what's with all these whingers? Kick them off, let's put some real Aussies on there.
End of flashback. Won't be long before the family flies in and we all celebrate.
We're not giving up. We don't do that. We don't give up.
No, I know that.
It's just.
But I want you to enjoy it.
I don't understand it because they tell you to enjoy it, right? And then they drag you away for a challenge all day yesterday and want you to paint all through the night when you're not supposed to be painting under, like, what is it, 10, 12 degrees for the paint? So how do you enjoy it?
2 weeks to go. You're on the countdown. This is it.
Thanks, guys. Thanks for dropping in.
Thank you. See ya.
They don't want us, Shell.
No, they don't.
They want us to leave.
They don't care what we say.
Did you expect this when you signed up for the block?
Yeah, absolutely. We expected hard work. We're not afraid of hard work. We're not giving up. We've never given up. We just don't want to deliver.
Before this vibe gets any worse, I feel an intervention is in order.
Scotty's got some good news for you. He's made an executive decision.
I have. I have.
I do love executive decisions.
You're going to love this.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's great news.
Yes.
Yeah.
The sides of the house will not be included in the judging.
Oh, praise the Lord.
Oh my gosh, that's amazing.
Perfect, thanks,
That'll
Scotty.
save some time.
It will.
Yeah.
Scotty, I just painted both sides.
Oh, well, you're ahead of the pack then,
I'm
aren't you,
joking, no, I
George?
didn't.
haven't painted on
I just did a little bit at the back.
The pressure of painting is off, and I guess we get to actually enjoy the landscaping part.
I was pretty much resigned to the fact that we weren't even going to be in the race this week. So, yeah, it's
Back
awesome.
in the race, baby.
There was no way on this good earth that any of you were going to get it done anyway. You can go get your landscaping finished, but you just need to paint the front facade for judging on Sunday.
That is good news, isn't it?
That is good news.
You've got to do it sometime down the track.
You still got to do it.
But just for judging, front facade and landscaping.
The fact that Scotty come in today and said, oh, no one's going to finish enough to paint the sides of your house, I think that just shows that someone miscalculated the size of this week at the start of the week, you know, like we've all said from the start that, what was it, 25,000 for this week?
25,000's not
Just
enough.
shows it was well underdone, you know, like no one's got the trades on site to be able to finish. There's some smaller houses here than others. I feel that we're probably one of the bigger houses.
Well,
so we definitely
you can't
won't finish
please
off.
all of the
I've said to my
people
team,
all of the
we
time.
won't finish this week, but let's push as hard as we can to get as far as we can.